Miles to go, everyone. Welcome to today's session of Class 8th Social Science History Chapter 1 How, When, and Where. An introductory chapter which gives you an insight about history, and it also tell you about how the history was written during British era. But before that, it is very important for us to know why we need to study history. History is very important because it allows us to understand our past, which in turns help us to understand our present. History can provide us insight about the cultures, the origin of the cultures. It can tell about us that where we come from, which indeed help us to understand any place or people or their psychology better. So let's start with the session. How, when, and where. When we write history or a story, we divide it into chapters. Now why we do it? We do it for a very simple reason, because it helps us to understand the events in a sequence. In a process, we focus on events which help us to give a shape to a story or a history. And that's what the British historian did. In 1817, a Scottish economist and political philosopher, James Mill, published a book named A History of British India. He wrote this book in 3 volumes, and in this book he divided Indian history into 3 periods: Hindu, Muslims, and British. This periodization of Indian history was widely accepted. According to Mill, societies in Asian societies were way lower in civilization in comparison with European nations. He wrote India was ruled by Hindu Muslim despots. Despots means rulers who are very powerful and very cruel. Second, he said that India is religiously intolerant. So incorrect, but that's what Britishers wrote about India, that we are religiously intolerant. He also wrote that how the caste system is taboo and it is practiced in Indian society. And third, the superstitious practices of Indian people, which was dominating the society at that point of time. Few things are correct, but not all. He also suggested that British rule could civilize India. So British should conquer all Indian territories for the enlightenment and the happiness of Indians. What a laughable thing. Huh? We have seen that when Indian were ruled by Britishers, what humiliation or inhumane practices Britishers did with India. They have jeopardized every single thing in India. This is the reason why Indian history was distorted. To make Indian feel inferior to Britishers and surrendered and accept the British dominance, this theory was circulated. We cannot refer any period of Indian history as Hindu or Muslim, because at the same time there were many faiths which coexisted. If you talk about, for a reference, if you there is a great empire, Mauryan Empire. The founder and the king of Mauryan Empire, Chandragupta Maurya, followed Jainism, and his grandson Ashoka the Great, he followed Buddhism. So you can see in a same family itself there were two beliefs which were followed. So you cannot say that, or you cannot divide Indian history on the basis of religion. Moving away from British classification of Indian history, there were many historians which divided Indian history into three parts, and it was Asian period, medieval period, and modern period. The Asian period was from 3000 BC to 500 AD. The medieval period was from 7th century to 19th century, and the modern period was from 19th century onwards. This concept has also taken from West, where modern period is a period where there was a growth in science, liberty, freedom, equality, reasoning, and medieval period is where all these things did not existed. But if we say this in Indian context, the modern period, which was largely ruled or dominated by Britishers, we can say that it was not a time of growth in economy or growth in science, technology, or liberty, freedom, equality. So this concept also not suit India. But this time was also referred as colonialism or colonial. This brings to the end of part 1 of this chapter. In part 2, we will study about colonialism, about the way history was written, and how Britishers used to document history. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Miles to go.